Right, I could see this tyre was a bit flat when I put it on. It was down to 13 psi, so I put a bit of soapy water on it, and you can see up there that there's a little dent in the rim. So anyway, we'll live with that for the time being, and we'll repair that at home. Taking the wheel and tyre off the car, and we're going to have a go in here now. There's actually rock up in there. It's just shades of rock, so obviously I've tucked a rock up into there. You can see here all the dirt. You probably can't, but it doesn't matter. Let's clean it up. Righto, so we're going to use this little toy to clean up the wheel. The good thing about steel wheels is you can just bang them back into place.